The fuel tank assembly is a fast way to solve many fuel-related issues. It consists of a new fuel tank, fuel cap, fuel lines, and the fuel filter. The fuel tank assembly can be used to solve a leaking fuel tank, leaking or broken fuel lines, or to service the fuel filter. Replacing the fuel tank assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear engine cover. Now remove the fuel lines from the carburetor. And then I can remove the fuel tank from the engine. I'll transfer the isolators from the old fuel tank to the new. And then I'll place the new tank back onto the engine. Now I'll reinstall the fuel lines. The lines come long, so I'll need to trim them to length. First, the return line. And then the incoming fuel line. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the rear motor cover. And that's all it takes to replace the fuel tank on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.